Are you struggling with low energy, mental fog, and stubborn fat? It might not be your workouts. It could be low testosterone. Let's fix that together. Here are 5 simple steps to boost your testosterone. First, lift heavy weights. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises activate large muscle groups and naturally raise your testosterone levels. Second, get enough sleep. If you're not getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep, you're wasting your progress before you even begin. True recovery happens in your bed, not at the gym. Third, eat healthy fats. Eggs, olive oil, nuts, avocados. No fat equals no testosterone. It's that simple. Fourth, reduce stress. Stress raises cortisol levels, and cortisol is the enemy of testosterone. Breathe deeply, relax, and slow down. Fifth, reduce sugar and alcohol. Excessive sugar consumption disrupts hormonal balance, and alcohol directly lowers testosterone levels. A strong body equals smart choices. Share this video with your low-energy friend. If you found this helpful, like it. Follow us for more strength and fitness tips.